Welcome to the Get to Green Zero Waste Toolkit training. Our goal is to review your role as Zero Waste Liaison and introduce you to the layout and resources available in the Zero Waste Toolkit, a resource for enabling student action at your school. Each day, Fairfax County creates 3,288 tons of trash. That's equivalent to 527 elephants. Over the past year, that added up to almost 1.2 million tons of waste, enough to fill 2 entire Tysons Corner shopping malls and all of its parking garages. Thanks to residents' hard work, Fairfax has been able to divert 44% of that trash through recycling, reusing, and composting. Fairfax County hopes to increase that number to 90% by 2040. The school board worked with the Fairfax County Board of Supervisors through the Joint Environmental Task Force to develop a zero waste plan. By teaching students about zero waste and helping them to engage in environmental stewardship around it, we hope to contribute towards meeting zero waste goals. One of your responsibilities as a Get to Green leader is to serve as the zero waste liaison for your school. In this capacity, you will explore the information shared in the toolkit and use it to shift the school culture of your school to one of zero waste through student-led environmental stewardship. To help support you, Get to Green has created a zero waste toolkit. This toolkit is available on Get to Green Schoology group, of which you should already be a member. The access code is also shared on this screen. Let's explore some of its features. We divided the big ideas of zero waste at schools into 6 topics, each with their own toolkit: shifting school culture, recycling, reusing almost anything, food sharing, zero waste lunches, and food scrapping and composting. Notice the symbols associated with each topic. These will help you navigate within the toolkit. Let's zoom in on one of these topics, recycling, to examine the types of resources available. The landing page for each topic looks the same, with an overview and links for the same types of resources. Notice the green menu icon here at the bottom right-hand corner. This icon will take you back to the Zero Waste main menu. Clicking on the topic-specific icon, such as this recycling symbol, will bring you back to that icon's landing page. Now let's look at the types of resources that are embedded in the toolkit. First is a one-page Getting Started document. This will give a brief description and a big picture overview of how to launch this initiative with links to supporting resources. Next, we have Connecting with Students. This section has been separated into elementary and secondary resources. The elementary resources include morning meeting slides, news show slides and scripts, and other resources for connecting with students. The secondary resources include ready-to-made resources such as news show slides and scripts, advisory lessons, and resources for presenting initiatives to your student green team. The Connecting with Community section provides customizable templates for school newsletters, social media posts, and printable flyers. Remember, you can click on the icon in the top left corner to return to the main menu. The Connecting with Staff section contains a slide deck that includes considerations, slides with talking points in the speaker notes, and entry points for working with the adults in your building and community. We've also created a document with curriculum and eco-schools connections. This document contains curricular links and connections to Portrait of a Graduate. In many cases, these topics are already being covered in classroom instruction. Zero waste also ties into several of the National Wildlife Federation's Eco Schools action cards. Click on the NWF emblem to learn more about this program. The last page shares links to other resources that may support you in your work. Now, take some time to explore the toolkit on your own. How might you use this at a CT meeting or with your students to explore all of the resources to determine ways to implement zero waste best practices at your school? Once you have become acquainted with the toolkit, please complete the quiz that was shared via email. You must complete this quiz to receive full credit for completing this training. Many thanks to our summer curriculum team, all Get to Green leaders like you, for creating these resources. This is a living document. As new information or other great resources become available, we will add them. If you have an idea for something that would be useful to Get to Green leaders across the division as they work towards zero waste, please reach out to the Get to Green team. Thank you for your hard work in enabling student action in schools. Your work makes a huge difference to students and the planet. If you have questions or feedback on this toolkit, please email Chrissy Brownson at the email address shown here. We can't wait to see each school move towards zero waste.